हेलो फ्रेंड्स, रिजल्ट सीरीज के एक और वीडियो में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आप देख रहे हैं प्राइस सेक्शन विद अमन और मैं हूं अमन। लेट अस स्ट्रेट अवे गो टू द स्टॉक। दिस इज एचडीएफसी। Results have been out today. It has shown 1.17 approximately down or loss for compared to last quarter of March 21। तो एक तिमाही में गिरावट आने के बाद इसमें सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चीज जो ये है कि ना तो इसमें एफआईआई ना डीआईआई और ना ही किसी बड़े इन्वेस्टर की भागीदारी कम हुई है एज पर द लेटेस्ट रिजल्ट्स अर्निंग्स। The shareholding pattern says that most of the investors are as such from March to June quarter. Their interest is intact. The only issue here is that the stock is having a double top like structure. So this is a supply zone. It came, it fell, it made a V-shaped recovery, sort of try to break, failed, try to break, failed, try to break, failed. So three failed attempt it had made to cross this level. The level is 2470 region. Monthly closing above 27470, it is unable to show. So friend, ये जो है ना, this stock is like so we'll straight away talk to different time frames also, weekly as well as daily. But guys, this stock is like IITNs. There are some people who are IITNs, some people who study engineering in the government colleges, some go to the paid seat. So this stock is like the IIT top performers, index movers and shakers of HDFC Twins. It has to have some sort of traction in order to move the index, as people say, the so-called YouTubers and the other social media influencers. But for me, if I see here what is having in the structure of the stock, let us draw it again and fall retracement. This low 2217 in a price, when a recovery comes, this low, if it unable to break this resistance, the price actually breaks this low after multiple attempts to break this resistance. Now what is happening? It for last 6 months, 8 months, it is unable to break this level. So I'm expecting that the bottom is around 2230 on a monthly chart. On a monthly chart. फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा, आखिर तक देखिएगा। अगर इसको प्राइस एक्शन समझना है कि लेवल कैसे निकलते हैं, काम कैसे होता है, अगर आप सिर्फ यहाँ पे लेवल देखने के लिए आए हैं तो आपको सिर्फ उतना ही फायदा होगा। अगर इस वीडियो से आप कुछ प्राइस एक्शन की लर्निंग लेना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज वीडियो को पूरा देखिए। पूरा देखने के बाद आप समझ पाएंगे कि प्राइस एक्शंस में लेवल्स कैसे निकलते हैं। नहीं तो वही बात हो जाएगी कि आपने दुकान पे जाके शॉप में वड़ा पाव खाया, छोले कुलचे खाए और घर पे आ गए। लर्न द रेसिपी फ्रेंड, लर्न द रेसिपी। once you know the recipe, you will be self trained. So if you just eat outside, it will make your stomach upset. It won't help you much. It will not add up to your health. So if you're watching any social media influencer video, where some learning is there, try to watch it till end. Otherwise your learnings are limited. You are only looking for levels which will fade away tomorrow. So this level might can come in 2 month, 3 month, and it might go off. Then what? If you have something to learn from this video, then that's the purpose of you spending 5-10 minutes on this video of your valuable time. So friends, watch video till the end. I'm going to explain why and how we are going to get these levels. राइट फ्रेंड्स, तो सीधा स्टेट चार्ट पे चलते हैं। ये देखिए, ये लो पहले जो बना हुआ है यहाँ पे, ये वाला लो है। इसको इसने इस रेसिस्टेंस को तोड़ नहीं पाया। बहुत बार कोशिश किया, तो कोशिश करेगा शायद ये मंथली टाइम फ्रेम पे इस बॉटम बनाने की कोशिश करे। इस बार इस लेवल पे एक बार फिर आए। अब चलते हैं डेली टाइम फ्रेम, वीकली टाइम फ्रेम पे, कि वीकली टाइम फ्रेम पे क्या दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा है। सो एज यू सी हियर, दिस इज अ सप्लाई जोन, टिपिकल support, this is resistance, and upside is support. Try to break, follow through, but retest failed. Try to break, follow through, and retest is not good, right? Similarly, break, follow through, retest failed. Multiple times retest failed. Multiple times retest failed. It tried to break open but could not have a follow through, or if the follow through was there, it failed in the retest. अब ये इसके अंदर है, 2460 की लेवल के अंदर है अभी, तो ये काफी बेरिश है। वीकली चार्ट पे क्या होता है, देखिए दिस इज द पूरी रैली, दिस इज अ फुल रैली, इज अ पोल, दिस इज अ पोल, फ्लैग पोल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, this is the pole and this flag is now being formed. So what happens typically, in a price structure, when the flagpole structure is made, price actually tends to go in a narrow range. If you see here the trend line is coming actually here, and the from top is trend line is coming. So this is making this beak, crow's beak. This is I call crow beak. It's crow's beak. My drawing is really bad. I think I shall improve it. Anyway, so what happens? So it tried to break this resistance with this candle, had a follow through, made a high, and it came here. So now this should have been a support for it. ये यहाँ पे सपोर्ट होना चाहिए। सपोर्ट होने का मतलब क्या होता है, जैसे मैं लास्ट वीडियो में भी बताया कि ये स्प्रिंग है, आपको सपोर्ट एक स्प्रिंग की तरह होती है। जब यहाँ पे एक बॉल डालोगे, आप क्रिकेट की बॉल डालोगे कुका बुरा, तो इट शेल बाउंस, दैट्स द पर्पज ऑफ सपोर्ट। इफ इट इज नॉट बाउंसिंग एंड मेकिंग अ लोअर हाई, it made a lower high, number one, that means support is not good, price is getting weak. Again it came here, it made a lower high too, it made a two lower highs, one and two, after making a top and made a trend line. So price is now getting squeezed up. अब क्या हो रहा है इससे कि ये लोअर हाई बनाने की वजह से प्राइस जो है एकदम पास में इसके आता जा रहा है, और ये कहीं पे भी ये नीचे की ओर ब्रेक करने की कोशिश करेगा। सिंस बैंक निफ्टी इज ऑल्सो वीक, we are expecting that this stock might go down. But what are the levels on a weekly chart? So this candle actually, this candle, this candle is holding up the level, the price for last 6-7 months. I'll clean it up, guys. So this candle low is actually holding up the price for so many months. So this low is on a weekly chart, 2390 is a bottom. 2390 is a bottom. It will break it. It can make a new bottom. If it has to bounce from weekly chart, it can make a bottom like 2370, 2380, something below 2390. And next week, if see a bigger candle closing above that previous week, which is closing at maybe 237080, we can expect some rally which will break this high. But as of now, this low will be taken out of 2390 for sure. इन मोस्ट प्रोबेबिलिटी ये जो लो है ये निकल जाएगा और एक नया लो बनेगा। जो नया लो बनेगा वो कहाँ बन सकता है और क्यों बन सकता है? वो नया लो इस ट्रेंड लाइन के आसपास कहीं पे बन सकता है फ्रेंड्स। अगर मैं इस ट्रेंड लाइन को ध्यान से देखूं, यहाँ तो कुछ आड़ी टेढ़ी रेखाएं फ्रेंड्स जो बन रही हैं, कोई इतनी, ये तो यही बता रही हैं कि ये देखिए यहाँ पे ऐसे बन रही है ट्रेंड लाइन, ये तो बहुत नीचे है, तो ये ट्रेंड लाइन तो बनेगी नहीं इसको। बहुत सारे तीसमार खान हैं जो ट्रेंड लाइन ऐसे बना देते हैं, मतलब कि पूछिए मत आप। यहाँ पे जो है ना, ये स्ट्रक्चर जरूर ट्रेंड लाइन की लग रही है, नो डाउट। So because you have to touch the last week actually, and it came broke below, but there was no follow through and price went up from there. So this level might come if it takes time and move it here, so it will be somewhere like 2350, 2320. So that's what I told you. In a weekly chart, this low will be broken, and it can break it and take a support in this region of trend line, and if it can show some recovery, we'll get to know. So on a weekly chart, we are seeing the bottom is around 2390 because it is making lower highs and it's not able to bounce back from the support and resistant and support. अभी डेली चार्ट पे क्या, पहले वो देखेंगे जल्दी से ताबड़तोड़। देखिए डेली चार्ट पे ये डिमांड सप्लाई जोन फ्रेंड सबसे बेस्ट चीज है, अगर आप उसको लर्न करना सीख गए ना। ये सप्लाई जोन था छोटा, इसने हायर लो बनाया। जब भी किसी रेसिस्टेंस के पास फ्रेंड्स प्राइस जाता है और एक हायर लो बनाता है, in most probability it breaks the resistance 90% of the cases. So price came close to resistance, made a low, higher low, and it broke, retested and went up, and it came again, made a new high, retested, but from this high it is not able to break it and just revolving around this level. So in this case also we have 2364 low. Sorry. So we have 2364 low on a daily chart. So daily bottom is 2364. So I've shown you guys three main bottoms on a weekly, daily, and monthly chart. So any of these bottoms once break, they are broken, we will get to know very next day, week, or month how the price is behaving. And if we get a confirmation, we are going to have a view of bullishness. As of now, do not enter in HDFC. If you're holding, keep holding till at least 2200. If goes below, then there is a total negative trend starts. But as of now, it's just in the sideways zone and trying to make a bottom. So you better stay out of this stock as of now if you are not holding. If you are holding, just stay holding till 2200. So guys, this is the price structure of HDFC, and if there is any update, I'll let you know. Next time, if some bank nifty structure is made which is able to help it, I'll definitely update you guys on this price. Thanks a lot for watching this video and giving your valuable time. I'll see you in the next video, friend, with some more interesting structure, price and stock. Till then, have a good day. Take good care of yourself.